Or this and your CI/CD pipeline fails every Friday afternoon, leaving you scrambling to meet deployment deadlines and troubleshoot issues that could have been prevented with a well-designed pipeline.
What it does. A CI/CD pipeline is a series of automated processes that take your code from development to production, ensuring that it is built, tested, and deployed reliably and efficiently. In this case, we will focus on the deployment phase of the pipeline, using Jenkins, Docker, and Kubernetes to deploy a Python application. Command/example. Breaking it down. The Jenkins file defines a pipeline with two stages, build and deploy. In the build stage, the Docker image is built using the docker build command. In the deploy stage, the Kubernetes deployment is created or updated using the kubeapply command. The deployment. YAML file defines the deployment, including the number of replicas, container ports, and health checks. The liveness probe and readiness probe are used to check the health of the container. Common mistakes. One common mistake is not properly configuring the health checks, which can lead to the deployment failing or not being rolled out correctly. Another mistake is not using a rolling update strategy, which can cause downtime for the application. Additionally, not monitoring the deployment and pipeline can lead to issues going undetected. Try this next. To practice, try creating a simple Python application and deploying it using a CI/CD pipeline with Jenkins, Docker, and Kubernetes. Use a rolling update strategy and configure health checks to ensure the deployment is successful. Pro tip. In production, it's essential to monitor the pipeline and deployment closely, using tools like Prometheus and Grafana to track metrics and logs. Additionally, using a canary release strategy can help reduce the risk of deploying a new version of the application, by rolling out the new version to a small percentage of users before rolling it out to all users.